Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, south central Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Powell or over Ainsville, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rainsville, Henniker, Sylvania, Fife, Powell, Section, Pisgah, Dutton, Shiloh, and Guest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Alabama,